Want to know how to quick add expenses or income in Money Manager? Well, no worries. So if you want to add an income or expenses without even opening the app, this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how you can enable and add quick add. So let's get right into it. On the bottom right side, you should be seeing this more icon right here. So simple like that. And here you should be seeing configuration with the gear icon. Now once you have opened it up, here you should be seeing under configuration, you can just simply scroll all the way down until you see others. And here you should be seeing quick add. Make sure it's enabled. For me, it's on by default. And now you can just simply scroll down and see your notifications tab. And under your notifications tab, you should be seeing this Money Manager icon. So you can just simply click plus icon to quick add just like this, and then just it should open up your Money Manager quickly, and you can just simply directly add income and expense without any hassle. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.